I'm coming.
Oh my gosh, I'm not even ready, sir. Oh, all the people. Oh my gosh. Hey, come on, boy. We're not doing this. You're going to be cut off. You know, stop. All right, today on the menu is powdered donuts. And he's been very angry at the door already, screaming at me. He knew we skipped snack time yesterday. Your mouth is so strong. Oh, I know you're going to love these. No vegetables on the menu today, sir. You're going to let the dogs have one. Oh, now I'm going to put my hand in the bag? I did not think this through. Okay, this hand doesn't have slime on it. Sir, stop your behavior. There's one. No. 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 Okay. Let Fuzz have one. Why are you sucking on my arm so hard? It's so powerful. All right, 2 more. 2 more. That's it. It's so powerful. It hurts. You're going to rip my arm apart with that big fat mouth of yours. All right, maybe 1 more. Now I got this. I guess it's just going to be your bag because it's full of slime. How's your sweet treat? One last one. I don't know how I'm going to make it back to the house. I think he's extra hungry this afternoon. And I just fed him. Watch. Last one. You've almost eaten the whole bag. Last one. This literally, you've eaten almost the whole bag. Last one. Like, I can't do anything about you. We're going to have to work on our manner. Oh, drop it. So this really is the last one after that. Watch. I'll let you look. There's nothing in there. Might be a little powder. All right. What do you think? Show them your mouth. Say 10 out of 10. We like powdered donuts. So yummy.